Hi, Ma'am Julian. Can you tell me about yourself? What is your full name?
I'm Julian Peña Fiel, 36 years of age.
Okay. Where exactly do you live, ma'am?
I live in Cupang, Arayat, Pampanga.
Okay. What's your current marital status? Are you married?
I'm already married.
Okay. Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yeah, I have 4 kids. The first one is 19 years old boy. Then the second one is 17 years old boy also. Then the third one is 10 years old girl. Then the last one is 8 years old girl also.
Okay. How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 4 and I am the second eldest.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background. Did you finish college, ma'am?
No, I'm
High school
high
graduate?
school graduate
Okay. Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
because of the financial.
Okay, financial. Do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
Yeah, I have.
Oh.
I worked in Malaysia for 2 years, 2012 to 2014.
Okay, as a domestic helper, ma'am?
Yeah, as
Oh.
a domestic helper.
Okay, then what are your duties and responsibilities as a DH, ma'am?
I cook, I clean house, ironing,
Okay.
take care the animals.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yeah, I finished my contract for 2 years.
Okay, how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm honest, loving, and
Caring.
caring and hardworking.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yeah, I have a minimalist tattoo.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yeah, I'm a CS Library for
Okay.
my youngest daughter.
Okay, how many years ago, ma'am?
If I'm not mistaken, I go surgery 2017. I
Okay.
8 years already.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because for my family and for my tuition of my kids.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not.
Okay, your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me and I will do my best so that I can finish my contract.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.